Do you want to speak English confidently when there is a problem at the airport? Do you want to ask questions clearly and understand airport announcements? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to today's English practice video. This lesson is simple, practical, and very effective. If you repeat this lesson many times, your travel English will improve quickly. Today we have 4 parts.
Part 1. Listening practice. Part 2. Vocabulary. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Part 4. Shadowing practice.
So relax, focus, and let's begin.
Part 1. Listening practice.
First, listen to a short conversation. Try to understand the main idea. Don't worry about every word.
Excuse me, I think my flight is delayed.
Let me check for you. What is your flight number?
It's flight 208 to Rome.
Yes, your flight has been delayed by 2 hours.
Oh, I see. Do you know the reason?
Yes, there is bad weather near Rome Airport.
That's unfortunate. Will the departure gate stay the same?
No, the gate has changed to gate 14.
Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. Please keep an eye on the information screen for updates.
Okay, I will. Thank you for your help.
Of course. Have a safe trip.
Good job. If it feels difficult, listen again. Each time you listen, your understanding improves.
Part 2. Vocabulary.
Now let's learn useful words and expressions from the conversation.
Delayed. Late or not happening on time. Examples: my flight was delayed. The train is delayed because of rain. Olivia's flight was delayed by 2 hours.
Now, I have delayed speech, memory loss.
Sincere apologies. He has been unavoidably delayed.
Yeah, so my train was delayed. No, I mean, I shouldn't be.
Departure gate. The place where passengers board the airplane. Examples: please go to your departure gate. The departure gate changed suddenly. Olivia needed to go to gate 14.
Will the departure gate stay the same?
My agent.
Keep an eye on. To watch or check something carefully. Examples: keep an eye on the screen. Please keep an eye on your luggage. Olivia will keep an eye on the flight information.
Keep an eye on Reginald.
Keep an eye on her. Who?
Bueno. Now, keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it.
Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Repeat the words slowly and clearly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice.
Now it's time to practice speaking. Answer the questions out loud before I give the answer.
Excuse me, I think my flight is delayed.
Let me check for you. What is your flight number?
Did Olivia think her flight was delayed? Yes, she did. She thought her flight was delayed. What did the airport staff ask Olivia for? He asked for her flight number.
It's flight 208 to Rome.
Yes, your flight has been delayed by 2 hours.
What was Olivia's flight number? Flight 208 to Rome. Her flight number was flight 208 to Rome. Was Olivia's flight delayed by 1 hour? No, it wasn't. It was delayed by 2 hours.
Oh, I see. Do you know the reason?
Yes, there is bad weather near Rome Airport.
Why was the flight delayed? Because of bad weather near Rome Airport. Did Olivia ask about the reason for the delay? Yes, she did. She asked about the reason.
That's unfortunate. Will the departure gate stay the same?
No, the gate has changed to gate 14.
Did the departure gate stay the same? No, it didn't. The gate changed to gate 14. Which gate should Olivia go to now? Gate 14. She should go to gate 14.
Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. Please keep an eye on the information screen for updates.
What did the airport staff tell Olivia to do? He told her to keep an eye on the information screen for updates. Did Olivia thank the airport staff? Yes, she did. She thanked him for his help.
Okay, I will. Thank you for your help.
Of course. Have a safe trip.
What did the airport staff say at the end? He said, "Have a safe trip."
Excellent work. Speaking out loud helps you improve your fluency and confidence.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Now let's practice shadowing. Repeat each sentence after the speaker. Copy the rhythm, pronunciation, and stress.
Excuse me, I think my flight is delayed. It's flight 208 to Rome. Oh, I see. Do you know the reason? That's unfortunate. Will the departure gate stay the same? Thank you for letting me know. Okay, I will. Thank you for your help.
Let me check for you. What is your flight number? Yes, your flight has been delayed by 2 hours. Yes, there is bad weather near Rome Airport. No, the gate has changed to gate 14. You're welcome. Please keep an eye on the information screen for updates. Of course. Have a safe trip.
Well done. You completed all 4 parts of today's Travel English lesson. Repeat this video every day for 1 week to improve your speaking skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and check out another lesson on our channel.